Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today's episode is a cabin air filter for the Nissan Rogue. It's my mom's car. She needed like shit done, so installation is so easy. This baby's gonna do it for you. It's a 1 out of 5. You don't need any tools but your hands. Let's go. Come on. Oh my god. It wasn't that bad. That's pretty bad. Make sure that you have it came out like this, and then the airflow was pointed that way. So air is going that way. That way. The arrow is pointing towards the car. Shove the new one back in. You're done. You could pretty much have to squish it in like this, and then shove it in there. So it has to be like squished first, and then shove through, which isn't very common for other models. Anyhow, hope you guys did it, enjoyed it, cool. Buy it online, promo code, there's all this stuff you can buy cheap on the Advance.